Okay, so I want to share something with you. You know, a lot of people, when they get started in the process of home buying or home refinancing with their mortgage, they start thinking about interest rate. What kind of interest rate can I get? And I'm going to be honest with you. If you call somebody or you send them an email or a text and they just start sending you rates back, I don't think they're giving you a very good service. That's a very transactional way to answer that. And I honestly don't think you're getting accurate information. And I want to tell you why. There's a lot that kind of goes into building into an interest rate or an interest rate quote. First is going to be, most importantly, is going to be your credit score. Every 20 points that we can change a credit score can have an impact as to what our interest rate is going to be. So it kind of climbs like a ladder, whether it's 660, 680, 700, 720, and so on. 760, 780 is kind of where you kind of top out, where they feel like you're at that A plus kind of premium credit. And there may be ways that we can actually help you with that down the road if you have questions about that. The next one is going to be loan to value. Now, a loan to value is, I'm going to use some round numbers. Let's say you were buying something at 200,000. If you put 5% down, that's $10,000. Your loan to value would be 95%. When somebody has an 800 credit score and putting 30% down versus someone with a 680 credit score putting 5% down, there's going to be a variance there. There's a different credit risk assessment that an investor is going to do, and you're going to feel it in your interest rate. Another criteria is going to be what type of property you're buying. Are you buying a single family home, a townhome, a condo, a manufactured home? Is it a primary residency, a second home, or an investment property? So, these are criteria that you really want to make sure that you're communicating to anyone that you're talking to about a mortgage, and make sure that you have those things kind of locked in. You can always go and check some of the public sites to get an idea of what's on your credit. Now, they may give you some type of generated credit score, but you really want to talk to a professional mortgage person, have them pull the 3 bureau, we call it a tri-merge credit report, from Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. The way we look at credit scores is we're going to get 3 different scores from them. They'll have small variances, and what we do is we take out the highest and lowest, and we take the middle score to base that judgment on. So if you have any questions about that, or you have some credit questions, we can help with that too.